Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you value your privacy and want to keep your activity clean, this quick tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to delete your search history on the YouTube app in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, this method is fast, easy, and effective. Go ahead and open the YouTube app. This is where all your watch and search activity is stored. Once the app is open, look at the top or bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your Google account profile icon. This will open a menu with various account-related options. From here, tap on Settings, usually marked with a small gear icon. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option called Manage All History. Tap on it to continue. Now, you'll be taken to your activity dashboard where all your YouTube search and watch history is listed. To delete your search history, tap on the Delete button. You'll now see different time range options such as Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, or Delete All Time. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Finally, confirm your selection, and just like that, your YouTube search history will be permanently removed from your account. And that's it. Keeping your digital activity private has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and practical tech tutorials.